Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So if you are seeing this face for the first time, please hit that subscribe button guys and hit like button for this video as well. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys my updated get unready with me routine using only one skincare brand, and you all must have guessed it already because this has been my most favorite skincare brand since a really long time now. I'm talking about the Simple Skincare brand. So I'm going to remove all this makeup today using only Simple Skincare products. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and let's get started. Before beginning the video, I have to give a disclaimer here that this is not a sponsored video. I am doing this video because I love this brand and I always rave about this brand. So first product that I'm going to use is the Simple Facial Cleansing Wipes, and this also removes waterproof mascara, so you don't actually need anything else when you're using these wipes. But I'm going to deep clean my face, so I'm just going to take out one wipe from this and start removing this makeup. You see, all the makeup is coming off so easily. I'll show you the lipstick. So as you can see guys, all my makeup is off already, but I'm going to go ahead and take that extra step and I'm going to use the next product, that is Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. This will deep cleanse my pores, so whatever makeup is gone inside my pores, that will also be off. So I'm going to take this on a cotton pad. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this amount. You just need like 2 drops of this and this will do its work. So I'm just going to go around my eye area, on all over my face. Now all the makeup from my pores is also off and my face is squeaky clean now. You can skip this step if you have just done your compact and your daily makeup, but if you have done like heavy makeup, then you should definitely go ahead and do deep cleansing with micellar cleansing water. I would highly recommend that. So next I'm going to go ahead and use the face wash by Simple and wash my face. Next I'm going to use Simple's Refreshing Facial Wash. This is a 100% soap free gel formula. This is so hydrating and moisturizing guys. This does not strip off the moisture from your face, and itna amazing face wash hai ye. You just, if you have sensitive skin or dry skin like me, I would highly recommend that you go for this one. This does not cause any irritation, any rashes, nothing at all. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that face wash on my hand. See the texture of this is like gel like texture and it lathers really well. So I'm just going to lather it on my face and I'm just going to quickly wash my face and I'll be right back. So I'm back guys. I have washed my face already and it is looking squeaky clean now. It is a little wet now, so I'm just going to pat dry a little bit, and on my damp face only I'm going to do a next step, and that is moisturizing. So I'm going to use Simple's Hydrating Light Moisturizer. The Replenishing Rich Moisturizer is also amazing, and both the moisturizers are used by sensitive skin people and dry skin people. So this is really good. The light one is good for oily skin people and the Replenishing Rich one is good for dry skin people. So you can try according to your skin type. So I'm going to take a little bit of that moisturizer and I'm just going to start applying on my face in circular motion. I'm applying it on my damp face only. This will lock the moisture in your skin, so always apply moisturizer on damp skin. नेवर, मतलब कभी भी आपका पूरा फेस ऐसे पूरी तरह से आपने टॉवेल से ड्राई नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा उसे डैम्प रहने देना है, थोड़ा सा वेट रहने देना है, उसके ऊपर ही आपको मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई करना है. इट एब्जॉर्ब्स द मॉइस्चराइजर बेटर इनटू योर स्किन. So with that we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and this video of mine helped you. Do let me know in the comment section down below what else you want to watch more from my channel. And I post videos on every Wednesday 12 p.m. sharp, so please hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit the like button for this video as well. And also hit the notification bell icon, so every time I post a video you get notified. So I am going to end my video here, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.